Today I'm going to unbox and check out this UGREEN 2.5-inch external hard drive enclosure. You pick this up on Amazon. The price, $20. This is an external hard drive enclosure that you can use with 2.5-inch hard drives or SSDs like I have here. So let's check this thing out. UGREEN, 6 gigabits per second, sleep protection, aluminum alloy. Specifications, USB-C-F, output, SATA plus 15 pin F, supports UASP. I actually don't know what USAP is. SATA 3, USB 2.0 and 1.1 compliant, supports Windows, Linux, Mac OS. And then the dimensions, a bunch of notes on the back. Whatever, let's get this thing out of the box and check it out. There. There we go. Fight me. Nothing else in the box. Just stick that there. The enclosure, instructions, cable. All right, this should be a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now I plan on using this with my Mac. I have a bunch of these internal 2.0-inch SSD drives, and the MacBook Pro 16 is USB-C only. All right, so USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't know how long that is. All right, let's check out the enclosure. All right. Top is aluminum. Bottom actually seems to be plastic. The bottom is black. It's got some rubberized feet. I'm assuming this is toolless. Yep. Okay. So you just kind of slide that. There's an arrow to indicate the direction. That slides off. So what I have here, this is a Samsung SSD 850 EVO, 250 gigabytes. This one I think is bigger. This is a Samsung 840 EVO SSD 1 terabyte. So let's go with this one. So you just kind of line this up. Connector in here. I don't know if you can see the connector in there. So that would. Okay, there we go. Well, that was pretty easy. And then this should just slide back in here. There we go. So there's rails on the side, and you got to make sure that it lines up. Then take any end of the cable, plug it into here. You have yourself an external hard drive. All right, you know what I'll do? I'll hook this up to my MacBook Pro 16. I'll format the disk, and then we'll run some disk speed tests and see what it looks like. So I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I put that Samsung 840 EVO SSD into the UGREEN enclosure, hooked up the USB-C cable. Gonna plug it into my MacBook Pro 16. So the drive was not recognized. Let's run disk utility. You'll see the drive down here. Gonna try and erase it, and we'll format it as macOS Extended Journaled, and we'll just call it data. And let's erase it. All right, so it looks like the drive is erased, and I'm not going to use this as a backup for Time Machine. Done. You'll see the drive has appeared on the desktop. Now I decided to point the camera at my Mac screen because I want to run disk tests, and it occurred to me I don't know whether or not running a screen capture with something like QuickTime would affect the disk test. So I just decided to do it this way. Okay, let's try using the Blackmagic disk speed test program to test the speed of this drive. And we'll start. So about 390 megabytes per second on the write, and 514 megabytes per second on the read. So that's pretty fast. It's running some more tests. About 485 on the write, 512 on the read. So the numbers look pretty good here. Let me try stopping this. Okay, let me just eject the drive here. Okay, so that's it for the UGREEN aluminum 2.5-inch SSD enclosure with USB-C. Going to be using this with my Mac. I can access a bunch of the different SSD drives that I have laying around now. There'll be a link in the description below if you're interested in checking this out on Amazon. That's going to be it for this video, and thanks for watching.